the momentum now basically on a smaller time frame, it has broken and now it's retesting. Okay. So if it retests, if today it opens red, we're expecting price to drop here about 700. They will definitely find 700. So it's going to be a heavy drop if it turns red today. If it's green today, then there's a higher chance that it will go up to 750. So the I would say the probability of the price breaking and going down is like 60%, and the probability of the price going up is about 40%. So the bias is more towards the downside for now.
Okay.
So we got to see today what happens. It's 60-40, 60 to the downside, 40 to the upside. But it doesn't mean it's going down. We got to let this confirm first. So Tesla is still here, went further down. So it's wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So we got to see how it reacts. It's at the bottom of the channel, so it's considered cheap. Okay, and TSL has got a nice range. Oracle has broken out of the channel. Okay, we expected the price to bounce and go up. Really unfortunate, it broke and it's gone down.
I think they had some reporting, and I guess the market didn't like it. They spending too much on AI. Let me see. Where's the
Actually, they are positive on the earnings.
No, but the problem it's yeah, they had earnings, that's why it dropped. The problem not the earning, the problem the spending.
Oh, I see.
So, but it's stupidity. I mean, I think it's a buying opportunity.
Yeah, because even if it broke down,
it's Oracle, man.
If this can hold, then it might start a slow climb back up.
Well, where would you buy Oracle long now? Or you still not sure?
You asked me, I would have, if I had capital, I would have already gone for a cash secure put here.
But let's say now you got now you got even better opportunity.
Oh, I will let it settle down first.
I will let it settle down. You're not just like 160. I'm getting it. I don't care. No.
I won't want to average down with price just like that. I mean, you can. This is not something that you cannot do because this is our bottom. Example, if we went in at one.
But I think it's cheap for Oracle. I think, but you can say 130 is cheap for Oracle, and that's fine too.
If let's say if I want to be conservative, let's say I've only got like 3 bullets, okay? So what I will do is, if I would definitely open one at 200 about a few days ago, maybe 1 or 2 days ago. So if I
you betting on higher premium?
No, as in when the price rejected here with this bar or whatever on the 4-hour chart, example like this bar, okay? Example, okay? At this candlestick at 4 hours yesterday, I would have entered cash secure put at 195. Okay, that's what I would do. So 195, and then example if price, sorry, let me move this away. Price continues shooting down. If I have like 2 or 3 bullets, I will definitely get one at 150. Okay, I'll definitely get one at 150, which is just outside my zone. Okay, and if the price comes down, I think 150 is like the lowest I would get. Yeah, if anything below, then I wouldn't get. I would wait. So I would open one at 195.
I don't think Oracle will go back. I mean, whatever. I think it's gonna start pushing up. Yeah.
Yeah, just let's say like in any case, okay, whether it goes up or goes down. If it goes down, I will get it. The lowest is 150. I would have gotten 195, and if I want to get any more in between, then what I would do is I would wait for this to happen. I wait for a bounce to happen, okay? And if price comes down one more time like this, and I get a rejection, I will get one more contract at here, 170 for example, like that. So I will go in for 3 contracts, and if I get filled on all 3, it's fine, man. You know why? Because my average price will then be about one.
I think it's more than fine. So I think it's very safe.
Yeah. It's safe because this is the lowest point. So I'm expecting price to bounce. If let's say price breaks this solid demand, my solid demand, then I would indicate that the Oracle may not be strong for a longer period of time. It will take more time to climb up. So I will continuously do cover calls at 175 just to break even. If this area is respected, I get filled on all three, I will just do cover calls on a higher price, 200, 220, 210. I probably do cover calls on two contracts and leave one contract open, the lowest contract, for example. So many ways to attack this, but if it was me on cash secure puts, this is what I would do. I would enter 195 yesterday maybe. I would wait for it to come back in the channel, enter at the bottom of the channel with a bounce. And if it goes to 150, immediately I'll take one more contract. 3 contracts I will take for Oracle. So for me, that is quite obvious for Oracle. Open, we're going to sit out for a while. It's sideways for now. And it's cheap. So example, like on this, it broke out of this. I would have taken 1 year at $10, okay? So now when price is coming down like that, on this is safe. We have a few options, okay? So I'm expecting an ABC correction, nothing that goes below wave 4. So I'm expecting the lowest I will get is around $7. If it comes down $7, without question, I'm getting cash secure puts. No, this one you can see price. I wouldn't have to wait for structure. I wouldn't wait for waves. I wouldn't wait for channels.
One
I'm
for
getting in.
$9.
Yeah.
For
If I get one at
Mm-hmm.
yeah, if you can, I would have gotten one at 10 the day around here, example. Then if it comes down like this, I will wait for a while. The $7 is definitely 100%. I'll get. And the other one, I'll probably, if I have like 3 more contracts, I will just average down $9, $8, and probably like $7.50 around that. I'll easily take 5 contracts on this because this is wave 4. After wave 4, wave 5, ABC or wave 5, so it technically will not come below 4. It won't come below 4. If it comes below 4, then there's something wrong with the fundamentals of this stock already.
Can you take a look at Baba? It's around 110, no?
Can. You want to be famous here? Oh, I drew this before. I told you, but I'm expecting Baba, if it breaks below this trend line, I'm expecting it to test at 110.
That's
110 would be a, yeah, it already went down 110. I'm expecting the price to start to push up now. Because this is a very strong area of like resistance, then it went up. So normally it would test back. So if you say you want to get in on Baba long term, then this is considered on the. Oh, Linus is joining here. Maybe. Hi, Linus. Yeah, so Baba at 110 would be an okay price, not a bad price. It's a pretty good price. But Baba is not a really strong stock. I think I mentioned this to you before. Huh?
Yeah, just
It-
had,
the wave
had
one
already had already shares, so I mean, for me, just like
But it's still okay because it's 1, 2, ABC 3, 4, ABC 5. So this is a one wave, and the retracement is very deep for a wave 2. So for Baba, the best case scenario is you get it at the bottom and get out of it. So like this area is a good area. Worst case scenario, this area. Yeah, this will be the 2 areas I will look at for Baba. I think on this we already went through. Yeah, without a shadow of doubt, 5 contracts easily for me if I would do that. Palantir, same thing. It's ranging now. So the most likely scenario is it's going to come down, sweep liquidity before heading back up. Because this breakout was a false breakout.
come
it
down
came
to,
back
to where? Where should I pick up more Palantir?
Definitely below this point, below 120. So I
Below
would go
120,
for
Okay, I will wait for below 120. I will pick up more Palantir.
no lower than that.
Lower?
Lower. Because the zone is the entire zone for Palantir, which is the ABC of 3, which is very wide. Okay. So let me see within the structure where would be a good place to get in if you want to get in.
I need 13 shares, so where should I buy another 13 shares? Now 13 shares will
Yeah.
put me to 100.
This will be a safe place. $90,
$100.
90, yeah, like this area, 90 to 100. This will be a very good price to get. Very, very good
You
price.
think it's gonna get
Like
there?
if you get, maybe, because at the end of the day, this breakout, remember we were expecting a bull flag to continue going up. The minute it went down too fast, we don't do anything because we know the momentum, what goes up, come down faster. So the minute it came down, and I would look for it to go below 120 into this area, possibly around, it will try to bounce around 110, 111. Okay, so 110, 111, there's actually a zone here. This is a very probable area for it to bounce as well. Let me change this color a bit. I think I just leave it yellow. Right? Yeah. So if you want to get in, probably 100 and 110, 90, 100 and 110. 90 to 100 will be the best spot. What we call a sweet spot. If it drops to 90 or it drops to 100, then lucky you, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm buying.
Because this-
I'm buying. I feel like the get to 100 shares and I can do cover calls.
Yeah, because it's strong. This zone is a strong AV zone.
I think we're gonna have a little
So-
more market correction. I mean, the SPY will drop more than its current price. I think.
We shall see. Like it's 60% that SPY is starting to go down now after reviewing just now.
So
Next 2 days is important.
I think
This
it will be
today and
another
tomorrow.
like 3 weeks. Let's say until end of June, July, maybe it's rebound.
Same goes for SoFi. Yeah? SoFi will most likely try to come down to about 1350, around 14 14. I think 14 is a very, very sweet spot for SoFi.
I will buy more.
1350 and 14.
I will buy more
Yeah.
than 14.
This is strong. Is ABC of A, B, 2, ABC of 3, very deep 4, expecting it to go up. Who else? Aidan is here. Aidan. Yeah, so.
Hello, hi guys.
How are you, man?
I just got in. It's exactly on time for the bell.
Yeah. Okay, let me see. Okay, since we got in, just let me do a quick look on what's actually happening in today's opening. So BMI is down, okay, at that bottom of the range. MSFT is down. Apple, we're waiting for a big, AMD waiting for a big correction. Apple, possible here, it will start bouncing off around 290 or best if it comes down to 280. Bitcoin is starting to make a move after sweeping liquidity, or it's like double bottom here. Still, the up move is not strong. It's still it's a bearish side. Same goes for Ethereum. It's still bearish now. IWM is rebounding solid, as mentioned already. They're going to play between 3 ranges: 280, 287, and 293, 292. So these are the range that IWM is playing. So if you are scalpers, if you trade support and resistances, just buy when it comes here, sell when it comes here. It's quite straightforward. Google, we're expecting it to drop further down. Best possible price for Google would be, I personally like the 330. 330 is a very strong area. Yeah, this is a manipulation area. So it's a head and shoulders. So you have the left shoulder, you have the neck, you have the head, break of the neck, shoulder. So people are expecting the price to drop here, but then it flew up. So normally what happens is it might just come back and test 330 before flying all the way up. So pay attention if you guys want to pick up on Google. I think Google is strong at 330. If there's a strong rejection at 330, it's a good price to get in on Google. What's happening with SPY? This is a crucial one now. Okay, so SPY basically has broken 730, broken but not broken and close on the highest time frame. So the biasness for SPY to go down now, it's 60%. and a biasness for SPY to come up and go back and trade in the range of 750 is 40%. So 60% down, 40% up. That's what we're looking at SPY right now. But these 2 days are really important for SPY, okay? These 2 days are extremely important. IBIT still finding its bottom. MU is making a correction, an ABC correction. So basically we are expecting a move like A, B, and probably like C like this before starting to go back up. Yeah, so it's looking for ABC correction. NVIDIA, we expect it to bounce here. It did bounce, a very short bounce, so this zone is probably out. So it broke, came back, retest. It's looking to test now, I would assume, at about 195. Okay, so this is out, already bounced, so this is not going to happen. This is not going to happen. Okay, so all this we are taking it out. Break and retest already happened, so we are expecting the price to see what happens when it reaches 195. TQQQ similar, like what do you call that? SPY is testing the bottom right now. It's taking up all the liquidity below this point. I'm pretty sure daily there's a gap. Yeah, daily there's a gap. Yeah, you can see with the liquidity there. This liquidity basically it's a wick here and a wick there and a candle. So this whole area is liquidity. From here, the top part, the high of this candle to the low of this candle. This whole area is liquidity. So it's grabbing liquidity now and see whether it pushes back up or not. If it pushes back up, then good. Then we are expecting a move to the upside. If it closes the gap, then probably it's going to start trading down.
What's
Apple
about,
is still within the...
Okay, sorry. User,
No
USAR, whenever you have time.
Okay, I just finished this stream first, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, so Tesla is still expecting an up move. It doesn't change. Meta, Meta is just a triangle. I've mentioned this before, so there's no point going through Meta. Amazon, we like it to come down to 215. 215 is probably the best price you can get in. So Amazon and Google, we have a good chance to get in, okay?
You done?
If it comes down.
Get Amazon 215.
Yeah, that will be a very good price. CFR Cypher, we're expecting it to bounce. It's at the bottom of the channel.
Mm-hmm.
As long as it's at the bottom of the channel, our bias is always towards the top part of the channel. Okay, let me check USAR. USAR is going to test the last line of defense. It's not looking great for USAR at this point of time.
No,
As
but
mentioned before, because
if I want to get, where should I get?
if you want to get anything below trend,
I don't have any.
anything below this, I would get at the bottom of the trend line.
Okay. 15,
So 17 will be a good, 17, 16 will be a good price.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's very, very strong. You see here, touch, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3, 4, 5. So this is very strong, and this is you can see in the daily, it's very strong.
Mm-hmm.
This is on the top. On the top, you can't see the other bounce. Yeah, you see, you can see the wick here on the trough, but you cannot see the wick here on the daily. So you go to the 12 hours chart, 1 bounce, 2 bounce, 3 bounce. So if I were to get 16, 17, and the minute it reaches around 28, I'm out. It's difficult to hold in the long run. It's quite risky. On the technical point of view, taking the fundamentals out of question.
Mm-hmm.
This ABC correction, UUU, very good buy. If it comes down to about 13, 12, 11.50, I mean, it's a really, really good buy. HIMS, Linus, I know you're waiting for HIMS. HIMS, I already told you it's a steady move towards the upside, okay? It's just going to take some time. It's still within the channel to a certain extent. So regarding HIMS, it's in a point where no matter what the market does, it's still climbing up, if you notice. Okay, that's HIMS. Master strategy finding its bottom. Now should start to bounce soon. I'm expecting now to start to head up very soon. And minimum take profit for now would be this level. I would expect it to at least come to this point here, which is about 139.50, 140. So yeah, it should bounce off here right now. Now it's cheap. Yes, yeah, we just went through this.
SoFi, okay. Feel like I always
No problem.
yeah. SoFi, you said look in SoFi. It will be a good price.
I'm expecting it to go 13.50 to 14. That would be the best price to get in. because this is a range right now. So it's
How much
probably
they paying
trying to,
for that? Yeah. Let me see.
yeah, it's going to try to sweep the liquidity and try to go underneath and then before heading up. This is scenario 2 that we've mentioned this before. Scenario 1, scenario 2. Okay, so INFQ, we're expecting a bounce. Okay, we're going to see how this reacts. There's trading between two ranges. It's the top range, it's the bottom range. Technicals are not so strong for INFQ. Okay, so just beware. As expected, RDW is going to make some sort of a bounce. Remark this. So it did reject. We've got to see how this one plays out. Still a dangerous stock to get in. Okay, for now. But it's overall RDW now. If you want to get in, it's actually a good price. Because it's wave 1, wave 2, A, B, C, or wave 3, wave 4 is respected, and then it's A, B, C, and A of wave 5. So I'm expecting this to be B of wave 5. So RDW, we're expecting the price to go up to test 2750, at least, minimum. So we are bullish on RDW, by the way, guys. Okay, and it's considered on the cheaper side right now. Technically, we are considered cheap for RDW. Actually, I'm actually contemplating whether I should get a leap on this or not. See if I can find a nice entry price.
A leap.
Yeah, if it's not too expensive, because this is beautiful to get up on RDW. Yeah,
For
basically this is A until here. At minimum, it start to go up now. It should go up.
So and like leap for like January 2027.
No, not at all. This is only weeks to get in. Okay, so it's 3, 4, ABC 5. So what you can do is, let me try to project the time. Trend based feed time extension. I think it's this one. 3, so it's like a 2 to 3 projected to 4, and I'm expecting price to reach up to here maybe around August, latest January. Any time between August to January. How much is RDW? Let me check. This is something I'm just looking at, guys. You don't necessarily have to take this trade, because even on my end, I'm not 100% confirmed. What I'm seeing is it's just a really good opportunity. Very good opportunity for RDW to start heading up. That would be my bias. So if you go for a call, let's say November, August or November, well, it's not that expensive. It's actually pretty cheap. You can get a nice leap, $27. You can just, yeah, but the spread is not very nice. If I go for 162 days, $70 days the best. 70 days will be 21st of August. Yeah. I would monitor this for a long-term move. Okay, let's see. IONQ, I'm expecting the move to go up. Okay. MP now is like steep, very steep, very steep. So it's trading within the range right now. ESTS, we're expecting the price to drop a bit before it going up. APLD, it's trying to reject this area, most likely coming down 2 areas, either around 35, 36 to test, or if it comes lower, then it'll be around $30. IREN looks like this channel is not going to hold. The upside is, okay, I'm going to remove this, okay? Because if it breaks down, it's either going to go down or it's either going to start ranging. It might also go up, but there's a less probability of it going up very quickly. However, it's starting to come down in a channel. So basically, what's going to happen with iron, you just take additional time. It's just going to take a bit more time. That's about it. Okay. So we're going to see how this one plays out. Zeta is a triangle, went up, fake out, coming back in. QBTS also at the bottom of the range, expecting a move up. Oklo, nothing much. The selling pressure is just strong.
It's about Gorab. I wonder like when it's gonna. I think it's dropping related to actually Grab may be related to the war because the oil and all that.
Grab is just a bearish stock, man.
Yeah, but I mean we know the company, right?
No point because technicals they don't follow. There's no sentiment behind this. If you look at Grab, no matter how strong the company is, in the minute it started high, it came down. Try to make it one more time, and when this happens, the double top and the market first goes inside IPO, normally that's the end of the stock. So when this push happens, and this climb is not, and they try to climb up, and when this thing happens, it means the management has failed. It means no matter what Grab try to do to recover, it's not working now. So what we can do for Grab is.
But I mean, Grab relate. It's I mean they have some. I'm pretty sure it's related to the oil prices and all that.
I can't really tell but
because the
company
is growing. I mean, it's just like. I mean, I think I'm not sure why the market is giving this price for this for Grab, but I don't mind to get more Grab personally, but I think below 3. If I get more, it will be below 3.
I mean, but if you were to get more Grab, I wouldn't hold long term because it does look like a dying stock. When this happens, it's going to take a lot for the stock to climb up. Not to say it cannot climb up, but it has to be like new injection of funds, new change of management, new products being launched in the market, new target market share to be captured. It's going to take a lot of
I mean, I can make money on cover calls.
Then it's fine. So you just got to average down. That would be my advice now, because the technicals don't follow the company's fundamentals. So when you have, then that means something somewhere is not right, but we just don't know. As a retail trader, we just don't know what's happening. Yeah.
I think it's related to the war. Whenever like everything with the energy and oil will come down, I think it's Grab will.
Yeah. Then Hood is just taking time to climb up. Afgo is hard to trade. Afgo is hard to trade. Afgo's range is the top, and this will be a preferred range. In the middle, I don't really like this range. It's not very strong. So Afgo is safest if you want to get it around 330. CNPX, it's a health stock, as we mentioned. CoreWeave expecting a bounce, but this is not a bullish stock as of now. So be caution a bit. Luna, it's in the demand zone now, so we're expecting Luna to start to go up. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, but not the strongest. Let me see if there's a. Yeah, but Luna's got potential. Okay, Luna's got potential because 1, 2, 3 for wave 1. So it's ABC for wave 1, then it's wave 2 correction. This is A of 3, okay? So basically it's like going in a channel or a diagonal. So what we're looking at is wave 1, wave 2, A, B, C, or wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Let me just drag it up. So if everything goes well for Luna, we're expecting Luna to be quite high up.
Luna, it's a space stock, so I think it should do well.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they have the IPO tomorrow for the space and all that, right? I'm not surprised if Luna were to shoot up tomorrow. And if this happen, I can say I called it, because this is an ABC structure. So this A, B, and let's say C. C must be higher than A. So if Luna were to go up, I'm expecting it to go up to at least around 95 to 100 minimum. Minimum before it makes a correction and it continues going up past 120. I think Luna has got this potential right now. Okay, so again, pay attention to Luna. I put it blue. It's a long-term stock that we can pay attention. RDW, Luna, Rocket Lab, not so much. I always say Rocket Lab, although it's making high highs and high lows, but they don't have the structure. They don't have the bullish structure which says that this is a bullish stock. This stock can fail you at any point of time. So be careful of Rocket Lab. Wave 1, wave 2, ABC, yeah. RGTI is not something I will look at. Nebius is a strong stock. If price comes down to, it makes an ABC correction, we're expecting an ABC move. If we were to drop to about 160, 140, 150, then it's considered cheap on the technical level. Yeah. So guys, anybody got any questions? I think I went through almost all the stocks already. SPY is trying to make a push right now.
Yeah, I would not. I mean, if you have something you recommend to get today,
The only good one I see is RDW.
RW. Okay.
But this is different. Okay, this is not the real strategy. Okay, this is not something that if we get and it goes down, we don't know. It's not the real strategy. This is more on a harmonic added wave. We are predicting an ABC. Okay, so it's ABC of wave A of 5 and B, and we're expecting the move to come up soon, very soon. So if this bullish candle closes today, then in the next 1 or 2 days, I might actually look for a leap towards the upside in the next 30 days to at least 90 days. That will be RDW. I will sell cover calls while waiting for stocks to recover. Yeah, do that. But make sure if you were to sell cover calls, make sure it's at least at the same price of your average price or slightly above. Okay? Do not do below, because if you do below and you get a sign, then you lose on there will be no capital gain. Instead, it will be a capital loss. Okay, so just watch out for that. Yeah, so RDW looks good for a leap. So meantime now, I'm just going to see any other questions before I try to find any scalping setups, which I don't think we will get today. It's very rangy. So there are some months or some weeks, Linus, that the market is bullish and then things work out in our favor in terms of the real strategy, the premiums that you receive from the cash secure puts. On bearish days, then we capitalize on the cover calls. Okay, so it's essential that we always try to get in at the right price and always have, depending on what's your capital allocation, always prepare a couple of bullets so that you can enter into a couple of contracts if it's needed. If the price drops further lower, you base on SPY to see the market movement. SPY is just an indication of how the US stocks are doing. Okay, it's an indication, but I wouldn't base trading a stock based on SPY alone. No, I always look at stocks on a individual basis because every stock or every company has got its own intrinsic value. So example, if you have space stocks, you got 5 different space stocks. Space is doing well. So maybe out of the 5, the really good stocks, 1 or 2 stocks will really outperform the other 3. And yeah, so we will try to find the 2 good stocks out of the other 5. So the intrinsic value of the stock is still very, very important. We cannot just trade off SPY alone, It's just an indication. I think we will only know tomorrow, guys, with the war and also the SpaceX IPO, because the market, you can see, is very cautious. You can see people are thinking, they're trying to push the market up, don't get me wrong. 40% is going to go up, 60% is going down. But there's still a chance that the price will go up. IWM is steadier. This area is respecting at 280, 3 bounces already, 1, 2, and 3 bounces. And on the top here, bounce once, bounce twice, bounce 3 times. So I'm guessing maybe people are trying to scalp here today for the price to go back down. Google will be a very good price to buy at 330.
I don't know if you did already the BMNR.
BMNR, BMNR is just
I
a
meant
stock that, yeah, BMNR is still on a bearish channel going down. BMNR, the only problem is we cannot find its bottom. So this is solely for the wheel strategy. So if the price is, once it overshot, and then this is when we start slowing down, we make on the cover calls, but we try not to add positions into this for now.
You
Yeah,
think
we
you think Ethereum find the bottom?
Ethereum's bottom is different from BMNR's bottom. Ethereum's bottom is, we are at the bottom right now. Ethereum's bottom is here. So literally we are at the bottom. This is a very obvious wave 1, wave 2, wave
I mean,
3,
if Ethereum
wave 4,
gonna
wave
go
5.
above 2000, we know BMNR will shoot. So
Yeah, so we are at the bottom right now. But in the event if Ethereum goes below 1383, as mentioned this, then it is trouble. Because then the correction might be, it's still okay, it's because it's still a bullish stock overall, but then the correction will be like a running flat. A, B, and then probably a C around 1000. Yeah. So ideally, let it bounce off the bottom trend line to go up. That would be the best case scenario. Yeah. You don't need to drop so much, because then the how you say, the support around this area is not that strong. This is the stronger support area. You have a support zone and a support area, and you have a demand zone with the support trend line. So this is more important for Ethereum right now. But on BMNR it's different. That's why I said no matter what, we always look at the stock on the intrinsic side. You know, we use Ethereum as a guide to see whether it's going to go up. But in terms of the individual stock price, we look at it as a whole on its own. So for BMNR now, we just do cover calls. Just wait for the price to recover. We don't add into fund. I wouldn't suggest adding into contracts for now. We can always add later, because we are doing the wheel strategy. You're not buying, keeping, long term. So there's no necessity to buy and keep in the long run. It's more on getting good premiums, good percentages, get in, get out, get in, get out. It's unlike if you want to pick up SoFi, or Hood, or even RDW for now, for that matter, just a short move up. That's different. The strategy that we put in place is a bit different.
I have a BMNR for 19. So if it's losing a lot of money.
You have to let it, give it some time for the stock to recover.
I have the contract until the 26th, so we have 15 days, not half an hour, 15 days.
A cover call?
no, they have cash secure puts.
Cash secure puts.
Yeah, but then you're gonna do like cover calls
26.
on 19 then, like.
Yeah.
I mean, you can do at least 19 if you want. I mean, I think whenever the market will recover, BMNR also will shoot, but that's me. You can do 19.
It's on 19, but on cash secure puts now.
Yeah, but I mean, whenever you get a sign, if you get a sign, right? So whenever you get a sign, you do cover calls, or at least 19.
Yeah, let's see.
I mean, your average will be less because you get paid, right? So your average will be around like 17 something. But if you get filled, you do at least 19. So at least you're making money while you're holding that. It might be gonna take a few months until it starts like fully recover with all the market. Ooh. I have way more, so don't worry. Tom Lee.
Also you that's
yeah, that's okay. I mean, that's
you is on 18. I have
U.S. invested. I mean, it's a U.S. government. Don't worry about this. I also have. Don't worry, man. It's full recovery.
Yeah, I bought what you bought.
Yeah, don't worry, man.
If you're going down, I'm going down with you.
Yeah.
It's temporary anyway, because if you do cash secure puts and if you get filled, the whole point is to be able to do cover calls to get paid while you wait, you know. So it's something that we already take into account. Okay, so Google, I might have chance to scalp this today. I'm just gonna put here. Meta. Okay, Meta, we have a chance to scalp as well. Okay, Meta is nice. Oh, UU, it's fine. UU is strong. You are literally at a good price for UU to start bouncing now. It's nothing to worry about UU.
It's White House investing
Okay.
stock, so
Yeah, no, because it's also at the bottom of the wave 4. So it's like ABC of the ending of wave 4, so it's nice. I mean, on a technical level, we are at a good price. Now as well, now is a good price. Let me see if I can get anything to sell. Okay, we have two stocks that we can look at for scalps today, which is Google and Amazon. So let me see. I think Google is happening a bit quicker. So Google, we've got wave. So we've got one, so probably like wave 5, 420. Okay, let me see if there's a bottom for Google right now. Still got room for Google. Okay, Google, let me see. It's going to be a put.
okay. I'm going to get some water. 1 second.
Okay, man. I won't last long tonight because I had a very long day and I'm not feeling too good today. So I think tonight I will skip the recording.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll see if I can do it tomorrow if you're free towards the afternoon, or I'll do it on my own if you're busy.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah. Just staying here, see if I can get 1 or 2 scalps before
Okay.
I call it a night.
Okay. I'm gonna bring water anyway. Okay.
Okay.
Look at Intel today, like 11% up until now.
Okay, if you're looking for a scalp opportunity, for today there are only two stocks. It's Google and Meta. So let's see which one we get if we get. Okay. So far Meta is coming down. So what I'm expecting is Meta to push down really hard. And if it touches this purple line, this is when I will get in the trade. Okay.
So if it's going getting to the purple line, we're
Yeah.
saying it's keep going down,
Yeah.
and
We
we
always
buy
a
lower.
put. Yeah, we buy a put. We find a
A
good
put for
contract.
what price?
Must see the contract. Must see how much the contract is worth. The most important thing when you look for contracts is this I know I learned from Avi is the open interest, and the bid and ask must not be too wide. So let me see Meta. Meta is very expensive. Okay, we have cheaper ones on the 540 on Meta will be a good one day. June 12th, 540. For me it's cheap. You can go 550 if you want. 550 is a bit more you can enter into one contract. I would like to try to take two contracts if I can.
So what? So if I'm seeing that 530, that's it's 26.40. That's the price.
No, we're going on a put.
Yeah. On put.
Yeah, because we are expecting the price to go down.
Yeah. So this is ask or bid? Ask, right? I'm still
Uh,
confusing about it.
if you buy, you always buy at a higher price. So you're buying at, let's say if it's 540, you're buying at 64 cents now. If it's 550, you're buying it at $1.62, which is 162.
550 to 148, I see.
No.
Five fifty.
I'm looking at one day. June 12th,
One day,
one day.
June 12,
Yeah.
put for 550,
It's 162 now. Can you see? On the ask.
560.
550,
And
550.
yeah, it's 145. I see.
No, I'm on Meta. Are you on Meta or Google?
Meta,
550, how much do you see?
145.
I see 165.
Here, let me send you a screenshot.
Okay. Normally it should be the same.
Here, I put it on the chat.
Okay.
Let's see what I'm missing.
It's loading.
It's in the blue, the mark is on blue, 145.
Why is yours different from mine?
Weird. Usually
Yeah.
they are synced. This is like the first time.
Yeah, normally it's the same. Never mind, once Avi is back, you check with him because on 550 it's 185 right now. I'm guessing it's going down. Hold on.
Let me see if I have maybe a refresh button. I don't know. I don't know. I don't
because
believe
mine
this is no. There is no
Mine
refresh.
is mine is
Live
updating
data.
live. Yeah, mine is
Yeah, it's
updating live.
I can see it's updating in real time.
Yeah, that's a bit odd, huh?
550. Now it's 132.
I'm looking at 175 now.
Weird.
Let me
June
check.
12th, right?
Yeah, June 12th.
136. Now it's updated.
Now it's 183.
W-
Oh, why is it
Weird.
like that? I'll show you
Let
my.
me filter it. Let's say put. So let me filter this.
Might have a chance to get in. Might have a chance to get in. So
No,
Meta is coming soon.
550.
I'm getting ready on Meta.
No,
I'm going in.
136.
I don't know, man. It's a bit
Go
odd.
in. Look, go in.
No. Purple line, remember?
Oh,
Yeah. Once I've got two confirmations. One, you have to see a dark green like this candle now. Then number two, it must touch the purple line before I get in. Yeah. These are my two criteria. So I'm going for 540, which is going to be like, okay, the first one is done.
540. 540. This. It's 0.51.
It's
540.
very, very different from mine. Mine is 0.9.
Huh? How it can be?
Yeah, I have no idea, man.
This is Meta. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me check another day. 540. It's 143.
Now it's 90. Now it's 93 already. So I think by the time I get in, it's going to be about like 100.
0.51.
I'm watching this
How
very
much?
closely.
How much it's going to cost to buy this contract?
For me, I think it's going to cost about $100 once the price reaches down. It should be around $100. Yeah. Okay, so one confirmation is done. I've got a dark green candle. So the next confirmation is if it touches the purple line, then I'm in. So I'm just practically waiting now.
And you're going with the two contract?
One contract only. I'm going for one contract on this.
Yeah. That's weird, the numbers.
Yeah.
I'm missing something. 540.
Is Avi back? No, maybe you can ask him.
I don't see him on the camera, but I see him posting on Discord.
Yeah.
Maybe it's from the phone. Okay, we're below the green line.
Let me remove the 50 mark. I don't want the 50 mark. It's confusing me. Yeah, okay. Green is fine. I want the purple. Purple is the important one right now.
Are you guys in?
Going.
Oh, there
Hey,
he is.
Avi, can you help Idan because his price and my price is different, huh?
Meta?
Yeah, Meta. We're going to get
Yeah,
in soon. Once he touches my purple line, I'm in. I'm going to get in it. So I'm going for 540, okay?
Now the price is 0.62.
Mine is 86 on the ask.
Yeah, Meta June 12, 26, 540.
You guys doing
Ask.
METU?
No, Meta.
No,
One
Meta.
day.
I mean, Dan, take the 545 put.
No, but why I have different numbers than
1.33.
Check, I put a screenshot on the chat. Like different numbers.
545.
Mine is, if it's 545, it's 145 now.
I mean, it's
Now
changing quick, but the price is okay.
545 is 0.92.
Mine is 147.
Yeah, I also see 1.47.
Yeah, why Idan's one is different then?
Well, I'm
Normally
seeing
it's the
different.
same. Yeah.
Now it's 1.02.
Mine is 151, 148. You know, it's changing.
June 12.
June 12, 545. You're looking at the volume, man. It's not the price. Where's the price?
Yeah.
That's
Check
the
the blue
volume.
one, the blue mark.
Ah, the blue mark.
Yeah. Now
Yeah.
it's 10.2 on 545.
Another friend. Kenapa? I love you.
Weird.
I cannot. Hold on. I can see it because you have something there on pop up.
Let me take another one without the pop-up. It could be more updated. This is puts, just puts, no calls. Here, send you a new one.
Where?
On the chat. תנמיכו בבקשה בנות. בנות.
Your bid and ask is very different. Are you sure this is the price?
That's what I see. 119 now.
Yeah, correct. Your open interest is the same. Example, I'm looking at 550, 3.95 is 3.95 is the same. Yeah.
550 now it's 1.51.
Yeah, but mine is 2.45, 2.49.
Wow.
Why is it different from yours? I don't understand.
What we're missing? We're missing something.
You have some discounted price or?
Let me close the broker. We have a few more minutes. Let me restart it. I don't know. Still weird.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I mean, it's weird.
This is the real data. It's like I will look at the stock price and it will be different.
Yeah, it should be the same for like all the
Google is
brokers.
also trying to make a push down, so let's see which one we get in first. I think we're gonna get in on Meta first.
I mean, if SPY is dipping, it's a good time to get puts.
Is SPY dipping? Let me just
I
do a
know
quick
this
look.
what his name send it.
Linus.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's rejecting for now. It's rejecting 730 break and reject. So 60%, as I mentioned, that is going to head down. So I think it's a good time to scalp and make some money.
Yeah.
Yeah. I am going in very soon. I'm taking 540. 540 is a bit cheaper for me.
So 540 for Meta.
Okay.
June
I
12th,
am already made the sell
0.54.
market. I am going to start buying one. Okay, I'm in.
Touching in.
I got it for 110.
You done you too?
Let's see.
I think so.
Okay, let's
Yeah,
manage it.
I'm in.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
What the exit?
No exit, betrayal.
Okay.
Betrayal. Because
So
on
I
the
got in on 110.
big time frame, we can see
So
the
you got
price
in on the
going
same
to-
price, I think, no?
I'm on
I got it
110.
at 110. Yeah, 110.
So you done also
Yeah,
on
so
110.
I'm too.
Yeah, that means your broker updates were a bit different because I actually got the price that the broker was showing, but you got a different price than your broker was showing.
It's weird.
Yeah. But we have to be, I mean, I'm quite conservative on how I trade this, okay? So if it profits, then I'm going to let it run. But if it starts reversing, then I'll cut my losses quick.
Yeah, it's
So-
already down 3%. No, it's changing.
No, it's
Minus
okay.
3.
Because it's
Oh.
very quick, very quick. We
Yeah.
don't see the price too much. We don't see the profits too much, but we focus more on the
Yeah, just ignore
the price.
ignore the voice, ignore
Yeah.
the noise, and just focus on the target.
Yeah.
So we took it on 540 and now it's 558. So if it keep going down, we will earn money.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna learn pretty quick. You're gonna see it. It's pretty cool.
Let's see. Let's go. Come on. Where is Trump with his bullshit?
Let's
Now
go.
it's the time.
Come on. Show me the money. Show me the money.
Yeah, but we're minus 30%
Yeah, minus
for
50.
now.
Very fast, because we took the 1-day contract. So we got to be very conservative on this.
Yeah, it's changing the. Come on, Meta, let's go. What's going on in the SPY now? Let's see. QQQ is going up and SPY is going down.
Which one is going up?
QQQ.
I think Meta is part of QQQ, no?
Meta is in the QQQ, I think.
Yeah, I think it's in the QQQ.
It's the technology.
No, it's
Is
it's
Meta
the
part
it's
of
QQQ.
QQQ?
It's not. It's the Nasdaq. It's the old top 7.
Yes, Meta platform, parent company of Facebook, major holding in the QQQ. How much is hold?
I think it's Meta, Tesla, Microsoft.
It's going, QQQ is still going up. Meta is 6. It's number 6 out of 8 in the QQQ. It's 14%.
Come on, push down there.
For now, we
I'm
are
down
minus 19%.
I'm down 21.50 now. Yeah. Let's see how this one push down. Okay, this is not looking great. We gotta see how it reacts here. If this area doesn't hold, then we gotta get out very quick. I'm down 31% now, $35. Very, very heavy on this one day contract.
28. By the way, the SPY went up.
Yeah, might have to get out soon. I'm down $38 now.
Yeah, same.
Have some news? Why it's just suddenly push up?
I have no idea. What,
Looking
from,
great. Not
from
looking great.
tweet something?
Yeah, I'm trying to check.
Just because the contract is heavy, because it's one day, you gotta actually give it some room. But this is quite concerning. It came up too fast.
Yeah.
I see
Yeah,
also
yeah.
Tesla pushing up. So I mean,
This is important now. If it closes this, then we might have to get out of the trade. I'm already down 41.
$38, $37.
Down 42.
Oh, we got in the same price.
Yeah.
Maybe there's some delays from, and
Come on, man.
oh wow, look at this big candle from Meta. Wow.
I'm ready to close if I have to, okay? Just so you know.
I'm ready to on the button,
Yeah.
on the submit button.
but in
Where are
general,
you closing? Around 40, 45?
No, I'm not counting on the money. I'm counting on the price here. If I look at money long time, I close already.
So when it will reach to the
Yeah, I'm
what
looking
is
at the
it,
price.
blue?
If it closes this and if it trades above 563, then I have to close. But for now, I'm just waiting.
in general, this is the idea for like scallop versus you going just with like buying a bunch of shares. I mean, this is a better approach.
Yeah, it's changing. It's going down. No, it's like it's swinging.
This is an important area right now. Very important.
Yeah, there, going down. Come on, keep going. You can do it.
Let's go.
I'm still concerned. This candle is very bullish.
Yeah, it's very. What time frame you looking? 4
I'm
minutes
managing it
candle.
on the 4-minute time frame.
Why 4 minutes?
Because
Exactly.
I entered on the 2-minute chart, so I monitor on the 4-minute chart.
You entered on 2 and then so you double it.
Yeah. So if this candle closes, okay, and then if the price trades up like this, I'm out instant. Okay, so
Mhm.
I would
Yeah.
prefer the candle to close bearish and then to continue bottom, and then I want to see how this price reacts. If this one breaks through, we are good. If this one bounce, then maybe I will get out of the trade also, just on the conservative side. So we shall see. So this is important. The next few candles is extremely important, or at least the next candle on its own. The next 4 minutes is very important because this is it's closing now. So the next candle is very important.
Yeah, it started low. That's a good sign. Yeah, keep going. Keep going down. 560 almost.
It's just because the contract that we took reacts very quickly, because it's a 1 day contract. If we take like 7 days, 14 days, then it's less painful. But it's just that because these stocks are expensive, the contracts are just too expensive for me within my capital allocation to go for the expensive ones.
Okay, totally involved.
What's the gap? Come on, man.
Come on.
Yeah, it's common thing. It's common.
We are almost touching the 20 minutes, 20 days average on 1 minute candle.
If this starts to break below this, then I think we are good. So let's see.
Which one? The purple?
Yeah, because I wanted to test the bottom. So if it comes to the bottom, my only concern if the market loses steam like this, and then it bounces up, that's my concern.
No, losing steam
if it
is good
breaks,
for you because it's gonna keep going down.
no, if it loses steam on the downside, then it's bad for me. But if it breaks down like this, then it's good for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if now the price, because I'm conservative, we took a very 1 day contract, which the price is changing absolutely nuts. If it goes like this, I have to get out, because then I know I've lost momentum already. So this is my last line of defense here, which thankfully it rejected nicely. So let's see how this one goes. So now we got to see if we can break the floor on this. If we break the floor. If we can break the floor hard, then we are good. We are most likely good on this. If we cannot break the floor hard, then it might bounce up. Then I'm very concerned then.
I got you.
Yes, actually, I told you I trade for fun, but sometimes I trade for my expense. I trade for lend my house. Yes.
Looks like it's going down, but very, very slowly.
Yes,
we gotta see.
actually, I told you I trade
It has to push down hard. That will be safer for us. If it bounced on the bottom, then it's just a bit painful. Because technically the price didn't move at all, didn't move much, but it's just that because our contract is 1 day and we are down like this almost 40%. But actually the price is normal for it to retrace this much. It's just that when we trade options, uh, the, the bigger capital that you have to play with, you can take later dates, which is a bit contracts are more expensive, but it's less volatile.
I mean, it depends what we're doing, right? Because in this case, if you're scalping, I mean, you should not take longer contract. Otherwise, you do swinging.
Not too long. Yeah.
You know?
7 days, 7 days is nice. 5 days, 7 days is actually nice.
Yeah, Fridays.
1 day is too fast. Yeah. 1 day is a bit fast. Like just now, can you imagine the move from here to here? I was down 40%, 35 to 40%, just this much.
Yeah, I mean, but I mean, you expect this to get there today, right? You don't you scalping
now,
right?
now.
You're not
Yeah,
swinging that, right?
We're expecting it to go now.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. We need it to go down now.
But that's the minus 40% from the.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Yeah,
It's
it's
too
a lot.
fast. 1 day is too fast, Avi.
I mean,
We
if
should
it's
get
going your
perf-
direction, you will be plus 40%, right? So this is the. I mean,
Yeah, definitely.
right.
Really?
So this is the
The trade, lah.
the trade, right?
The trade off, yeah.
Yeah, it's look like it's coming up again. Is swinging around 560.
Yeah, Google is pushing down now. How do we get both at the same time? Yeah,
Let's see
Google's
what's
nice
going
too.
on.
Yeah.
Yeah, but also Q and Spy, like they're not moving too much. But what's the time now? Oh, that's 5:40. So that means that we are past the first hour. So the volume is very low.
No, it's okay. If there's a move, it's fine. It's just my concern is Meta is struggling to go down, and Google has got a nice opportunity there.
Oh, it looks like it's going for a double top.
Okay, I'm on standby just so you know. lah. Oh, this is going to be quite painful, man. I'm down 40%.
Yeah, because it's going up again.
Yeah, it's too fast.
Yeah, you can see that the line they're changing in the.
So I'll stand by on this, okay? I'm going to go 2 minutes and see how it closes.
You see the bottom lines start changing the way.
You get ready to close, huh?
Yeah, I'm ready. 50% almost. 48.
Yeah.
Ooh, wow, that's a big candle.
Okay, I think we can get out. Oh, this was painful, man. 57
Yeah, I'm out.
10. Yeah. Okay, this one did not work out. I lost 53 on this. Shit.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, if it goes down now, one of those things, got to see if I can get one more in today.
Now because we sold, now it will change the.
Sometimes it happens. But we just if you're not losing 40-50%, then it's fine. It's just that the contract was too painful.
I lost 55.
Same, I lost 53. but it might go down after this, so it's just a bit painful.
Look, it's going back down. Look at the candle.
Yeah, it's okay.
Now, after we went out, this is always happening.
No,
Right,
sometimes it
Avi?
does. Sometimes it does.
There is a video on the YouTube. He bought or he sold. You saw that?
It's a waste. It's a waste. I'll be damned if it goes down because I didn't hold long enough. Actually, I could have hold, but it was just too painful, the loss.
Let me send you the video.
But I mean, it didn't close past your.
It didn't close past, but we got out early because it was pushing very hard. And do you know that trade I lost 53, which is 50% I lost. That's the problem with taking that one day. I didn't want to lose more than 35% if I could.
I see.
If not, I would have waited and see how this one plays out. But it's just too painful.
Failed your prop challenge? You're not alone. Most traders fail because they're trading with emotion.
Today is a painful loss.
Yes.
Yeah, he's joined to the last group.
It's a waste, like. It's such a waste. Seven. Lost 50. 57. Okay, guys, if the candle trades below this, okay, I might want to go in for a second try on this, okay? And the stop loss will be very small. So if it trades below this, I'll probably get this and my stop loss is here. Maybe a smaller stop loss. Let's see how it goes.
Really? Sophie? Okay, do it.
Hey guys, I'm going in for round 2. Contract is a bit cheaper. Let's see how this one goes. Let me see if I can get this trade in.
So same price, 540.
Yeah, but I will. This is the important area right now. The only difference is this is a short one. If it doesn't work out, it's going to be a quick one. Because it's still respecting this zone. So I don't want to lose so much. So if I get in now, which I will just get in now. Let me see, how much is 72? Okay, I'm going to get one now. Okay. So if
540.
the price trades above this, you don't have to get in because I'm just seeing if it doesn't get past this, I'm holding. If it gets past this instant, I'm cutting my losses. So I am risking less now to make more.
So what did you bought? 540?
Yeah. About 540. I'm a bit this one I'm just a bit aggressive, so I'm just taking a bit of risk. So see how this one plays out. If it goes above this, I'm out instant. If it goes below this, then I know I'm okay. I got a better chance of profiting.
I'm going with you. So let's see.
Yeah, fingers crossed, man. Because that's now it's a bit far from the price. Now it's closer to the zone, so it's a bit cheaper now.
Now, what price did you get in?
I got in at 76.
76. I'm 77.
Okay. A bit risky. This trade is a bit risky, but it's okay.
Didn't
For
tell
me,
me
it's fine
Okay.
because if it works out in your favor, it's going to pay off. If it doesn't work out, it's just one of those things we tried.
I think it's going to get down until 558 at least.
We got to see how this space reacts. We need to close this demand gap. If it closes this, then most likely it will start head down. If it doesn't close, if it reacts and goes up, then I'm out of the trade. So I'm conservative on this trade now. We were unlucky just now because of this candle and the contract was just too heavy. We realized like 50% loss in a small move, which was very irritating.
Okay, I will try to ask her tonight. Her learn from her boyfriend.
Let's see how it works out. So far it's okay. It was such a waste, yeah. I'm just really frustrated. If we were to go down now, it's such a waste.
I'm 5% up for now.
Yeah.
It's like $4.
Let's see how this one plays out. It has to go down. The last thing I want is for the price to go back up. But anyways, we got in cheap. If it were to go up, then we just instantly cut our losses. So that's the upside. But it's got to start pushing down now. If it doesn't push down now, I'm concerned.
No, it's keep going. It's keep going.
Blue candle or bear candle, every single candle printed, then we're okay. Hopefully you can cover our losses today.
You can watch meanwhile we're writing the video link I put in the chat. You will like it. If you don't know it already.
I think I've seen that video before. I think every trader has seen that video before.
Yeah, it's very funny video.
No, but this is the sad part, because according to my rules, I wouldn't have closed it. It's just because of the profits that the losses were too heavy because of the contract. On a normal basis, I wouldn't have closed it.
It's going to
Yes.
21%. It's going up.
Il sol,
Gotta keep pushing.
bumpy.
Avi, text President Trump to tweet something. He's the master of it. He just posts a tweet and the stocks are going down.
Yeah. Can start like a threat in China. The easy way to get the stock down.
Oh, meta is good. It's crossing now. Okay, wait. Come on, push on.
23%. Up now. Well, we need down, not up.
No, down. I mean, push down.
27, 28.
No. Okay, let's see. This is the important area. If this one breaks and this turns into a dark red candle, then I'm expecting the price to shoot down. To just continue breaking down. At least until 550. 550 is a round number.
Didn't tell anything.
550. 550. That's a long drop.
Yeah. No, it should. Even 549. Yeah, 550 is fine.
Let's look at on day candle. Let's see. 540.
Okay, let me be conservative. Like here.
No, he has we have come on, I forgot the word. Resistance on 519. We have a resistance.
It should go down to 553 at least for the day. Let's see. It's not confirmed yet, but it's slowly starting to make a move. We want to see a dark red candle.
29%.
25 for me. So far it's good. Now our resistance is here now. Okay. It has to stay below this one. I'm going to remove this. As long as it stay below this box, we are good. So keep on pushing down, man. Don't start to go up, because if it goes up, then it's like going to make like a double bottom kind of thing, and we don't want that. We want it to
We
continue.
have hammer now.
Yeah. So I'm going to be a bit conservative on this. If the price starts to head back up, then I'm just going to take my profits and run on this. We'll come back another day then. So let's see how this one works out. Come on, keep pushing down. Don't go up. Don't trade up. Keep pushing down.
Yeah. He's listening to you.
We want a hard push down. This is a reject to the bottom. We want it to continue the flow down. Come on, down. I'll put one more alert here.
Yeah, you got like stuck in this resistance at 558.
Yeah, support. Oh, this is crucial right now. We need to push down. If not, I'm done for the day. So tight. Come on, push on, man.
You can do it. Come on.
Break it.
Yeah.
Google was another setup we could have gone in, but not yet. But since we're on Meta, then forget Google.
Really? Why? What happened?
Here we go. Here's the break.
And currently, I'm up 34%.
Nice. 31 almost.
Okay. I'm gonna push down hard, man. Come on.
Nobody wants money. Come on, sell.
Yeah, it should be a good one. I think we're gonna profit from this. Because got 2 more minutes for the candle to close, and this is quite bearish. So if it's bearish like that, then it's good for us.
Avi, help him out a little bit. Sell your shares.
I would sell my 30 shares if it would help the price to drop.
That was a good one. Hey, come on, push, don't bounce.
Yeah. He doesn't want to cross the 558. Come on.
It's now it's the double bottom, so this is the crucial thing, crucial part we got to see.
Okay, now it is. Now it's going to happen.
Okay, good. That's the first sign.
Here we
Yeah,
go.
nice.
Yes,
Very
we're
nice,
down
nice gap here.
557.
Okay, nice. A nice point here. Okay, let me see how is it now. Are we doing okay?
Yes,
Come on, push
we're
it up.
going. We're good.
Okay.
We're under 558.
Okay, good. Currently, I'm up 47%.
42.
Yeah, it was a waste lah just now, but
And then pushing back again.
no, it's okay, it's okay. I think it should be fine. Still got time. As long as it's like bearish candles all the way, then we're good.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, because now it's the 1 hour mark, it's after this going to be like 15 seconds to 11 o'clock. And then hopefully when 11 o'clock starts, it's just pushing down harder. If it starts to bounce back up and makes a double bottom, then just get out whatever profit we have. And we live to fight another day then. Okay, so now this is the important one. Push down. Yeah, because it's 11 on the marker. So on the 1 hour, we've got a nice bearish candle. Yeah, so on the 30 minutes as well. We just need the 4 minutes to keep pushing down. That's it. And we'll trail our profit. We just keep trailing. We try to capture as much as we can. Come on, man. Okay, we're up 48%.
50.
Nice. So what we do now is we trade one candle at a time. So like just now we lost 50% and now we're actually already up 50%. So technically in terms of percentage, we broke even, plus we're probably profiting a bit right now. But in terms of value, it's a bit different because the contract was a bit more expensive when we bought it the first time around.
So now we're just waiting. So if a candle is changing, bullish candle, so we close.
Actually now, my invalidation point is the middle BB, this middle orange BB. If it crosses above, then we're out. But I'm conservative on this because we've taken a loss, so we want to at least recover as much as we can. So we will go candle by candle. As long as
the line is above the entry point.
Our entry point was here, around here, 560.5, yeah. But we will monitor, but it's okay because we monitor candle by candle. So currently this line is above our entry point. So we've got to see how these candles play out now. This is the important part.
On the 2 minutes, it looks like it's changing way.
Yeah.
But let's
But
see.
we are expecting the price to continue pushing down here. So this
We are
got
down to 35, but I think it look like it keep going down.
just gotta wait and see how this one plays out.
הכל בשפע, רמה מאוד גבוהה. פתיחת שולחן כמו שאנחנו אוהבים, וגם המחיר מה זה גבר אלפא? גם כזה שמבשל, גם...
So if it rejects too hard, then I'll probably be a bit passive and just recover what we can recover for today. So just stand by if you need to close it soon. Because now it's rejecting hard, yeah. Okay, I'm getting out. So just catch back what we can catch back. Okay, I only made like $10 on the share.
Let's see.
So I bought it for 76 and then I sold it for 86. Yeah, I made $10 on it.
I see minus 48. Oh, because maybe no. You see minus 48. That's weird because maybe it's combined.
Because it combined, yeah. It's the same.
Combined.
Yeah.
I don't remember what was here before.
I made back $10 only.
I mean, yeah, if you got the same contract, so yeah, it's combined.
Yeah, it's combined. And let's see, maybe if I can see trade history. Yeah, I have trade history. So I bought at 75 and sold on 86.
Oh, you
so
made
that's
11.
11, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we're still expecting it to push down, but it's okay. I think we will catch what we can catch first for now.
Papa,
Marian,
dus tu m'as fait encore le barrière.
no.
Doza.
It's 3, 86.
עידן, אתה נותן שם פקודות? מאשר?
86.
לא מאשר.
אתה לא מאשר.
They want to go to my sister's house, but it's too far. They want to go by foot.
I see.
They need to wait until Meta will go down.
It
How
should
they
continue
start.
pushing down.
Yeah.
It should continue pushing down. But I'm just very conservative on this for now. Because this is the price that they has to respect. I'm looking for it to go down, but we shall see how it plays out. I think we've got an opportunity on Google though, but it's a bit late. What's the time now? Yeah, I'm going to head to bed soon. I'm actually very, very tired today. So Google, I am going to sit this one out.
Do scalp tomorrow for SpaceX for $190. I think it will be fast.
We'll see how fast the price moves. But
Right,
what a
Avi.
waste. What a waste on Meta today.
I asked Claude how he thinks about SpaceX tomorrow, so I posted it on the Discord today.
Yeah, I saw.
Let's see if he's right.
Okay, actually Google, let me see if Google is okay. I thought I want to go to bed. Oh, Google is still quite a distance. Purple line is here, green line is here, so it's still quite a distance. Let me see if Actually, Google also has got a very nice chance to drop now.
Yine aletabilirleri şöyle.
But the market is not pushing down hard enough.
Ya burada ne bu bak da var da. Baba. Şey. Ya burada bir şey. Yine. Ha? Yine. Ne da? Yine de başına. Yine işte başına. Bakın ne olmalı gözlerinin. Neden ben soğan? Yok. Ye. Yine zina. Gel bana. Yine. אני זמרת של ישראל. אני ניצחתי לכל השירים.
What's the time now?
16.
Đúng rồi, là cái tập lên một xíu. Abi yaptı da doğru.